Imagine a winter where every breath is a struggle, where children, the most vulnerable, face the brutality of the cold without proper shelter, warm clothes, or enough to eat. This is the harsh reality for too many in Palestine. This winter, the struggle is urgent and the need is critical. It's time to confront the chilling reality and be the force that pushes back against the cold. Winter here is not just a season. It's a relentless challenge, a silent struggle faced by families every day.
جينا زي ما انتم شايفين ولا مأوى ولا خيمة ولا حاجة حتى المية.
Your support becomes their lifeline, delivering blankets, warm clothes, and the promise of a little warmth to those who need it most.